Ciao ragazzi, I'm Roberta, Pasta Evangelists. Welcome to our kitchen. Today I'm with the amazing Lolly. Ciao, my love.
Ciao, Roberta.
We're gonna cook together today.
I can't wait.
Oh, what are we gonna make then?
I think we're making linguine.
Okay.
With some prawns.
Oh, okay.
And some other ingredients.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go for it.
Let's go.
Let's check the ingredient, Lolly, yeah?
Let's do it. So we've got olive oil. We've got a bit of chilli, some salt.
Yeah.
Parsley, fresh parsley, some cherry tomatoes, prawns, of course, garlic and lemon.
I'm very excited.
Yes.
And I have just prepared the dough for the pasta. So this is just semola and water. We can start.
Amazing.
Let's go. Now, I'm going to start to make the linguine. Don't forget to check the video on how to make the egg-free pasta dough. You can start also to do some preparation.
Yes, I'll start chopping the tomatoes.
Fantastico. And I will do in batches, so otherwise it will be just a bit too much to roll the pasta all together. I always cover my pasta, otherwise, you know, it's going to completely dry. I do have also some extra semola. Bravissima. You chop it just in half. They're so small, the cherry tomatoes. This happens, right?
Yeah, I don't know if I need a knife for this.
You can also try with my knife. Probably smaller is easier. Sometimes larger is the knife, and it can be a bit too difficult for you to cut. And then, Lolly, what we need to do, we just need to start to bring the pan on with some olive oil.
Should I do that now?
And garlic. Fanta. I love when, you know, sometimes I put stress, you know, like do this, do that, and people doing this, I'm gonna do now, and no stress, yeah. Sometimes it's me probably too fast, but just relax.
I'll see if I can keep up.
I love the color of the white dough, the eggless dough. Even if it's just made with water, the semola got this beautiful yellow natural color, which is just amazing for the pasta. How many garlic are you adding today, my love?
Oh, you're not going to like this, but I'm adding 2.
I was sure you will add more than one garlic. Now,
yes.
You saw my video before. When I do any sauces, I prefer to leave the entire garlic. You can also chop it in case you know you wanna a bit more flavor. You know, normally I just leave it to brown a little bit in the pan, and then I will remove it. Just because, you know, sometimes I personally don't like when I found the garlic on the plate. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I do, and I've definitely been caught out a few times with a giant piece of garlic. You know.
So, Lolly, do you wanna tell us what role are you working on at Pasta Evangelists?
Yeah, sure. So I started at Pasta Evangelists as an intern last August.
Okay.
And so did lots of different interesting things, and now I recently became a marketing executive. So
oh, congratulations!
Thank you very much. Yes, so I'm part of the marketing team, more on the branding side. So I sort of organise competitions and do the little surprise and delight that you find in your little pasta box.
Nice.
So, Rob, should I put the garlic into the pan
please,
now?
my love. Yeah,
Great.
it's nice and hot.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, make sure you don't really get the garlic too brown, otherwise it tastes pretty bitter. And then once the garlic is ready, you can go with the tomatoes. The reason why many people probably ask why you don't start with the prawn. You know, this is a very, I would say, delicate type of seafood. Is a shellfish, and it doesn't really like to be cooked for too long.
Yeah, they get really tough, don't they?
Exactly. So we just need a few minutes, and once the tomato sauce is ready, we can then saute the prawn as well. So yeah, the garlic looks ready to me, my love. Now I will just put it a little bit down, just in case we get the tomato water all over.
Sure.
You can go with it. Oh, it smells amazing. I love the smell of the garlic.
It's my favorite smell in the kitchen.
And the sound. Yeah? Great, Lolly, bravissima, bravissima.
I'm doing it.
And we just leave it to cook for a few minutes. It doesn't take too long, the fresh tomatoes.
Yeah.
What I'm going to probably suggest you, add already some salt to the tomatoes, so they lose a little bit of water, and they're gonna become more, just better with the sauce, yeah? If you wanna, my dear, you can also go for a little bit of chili. Do you remember Yeah, go for it.
Do you like it spicy?
Well, you know me, darling. I love it, but it doesn't have to be extremely spicy. Otherwise, for me, it covers completely the food.
Okay.
You know, the taste.
Just a little fiery touch.
Bravissima.
So, Robs, why are we using the pasta bianca, the vegan dough, as opposed to the egg dough?
Well,
is there a reason?
I do prefer when it's a seafood. First of all, the shape linguine. It is normally a pasta made with water and semola only, so it's not an egg pasta.
Okay.
That's why I always prefer to use. And also, we are serving seafood today, so let's keep it really nice and simple. Not that the eggs will really impact, but it's much nicer when the pasta is just, you know, the classic dough. I'm going to simply cut it and in half, and then I can start to shape this beautiful linguine. Lolly, we have already made the beautiful linguine.
They are beautiful.
We leave it to rest for a bit, yeah, just to keep the shape. Yeah. Now, the sauce is ready.
Look at that.
Fantastico.
Delicious.
We just need to go for the prawn, my love, and then we can start, continue to prepare with, we're gonna chop a little bit of parsley.
Should I turn the heat up for the prawns?
Please, so we cook just for a few minutes, not too long. Do you remember what I said? It's important you don't overcook the prawn. Now you can, if you have if you want to saute first the prawn, you can do also on a different pan. You just saute or you just cook for 10 minutes, no, less than 10 minutes, and then you put it together with the tomato sauce. Otherwise, you bring all together, you will see that in a second they're gonna be ready.
Would you recommend doing the prawns in a separate pan?
I normally do in a separate pan, but you don't have to.
Because it's easier to control how long you cook them for.
Exactly, that's the only things for me. That's why I do in a different pan, just to control the cooking time, but you don't have to really. If you have a little bit more time and you want to be a bit more chefy, yes, of course you can. You can bring two different pan, and you know, you can look. I have cleaned the parsley for you already.
Oh, thank you.
And remember, guys, remember, Lolly.
Yes.
You remember these? We never throw the stem away. So you can really use with any soup. So you just, when you do a soffritto, you can also chop it. But normally I just let it infuse with the olive oil and garlic, and then I remove it. So I just got the parsley flavor, yeah? And we always add at the end.
The parsley?
The parsley, yes.
Keep it fresh.
Also to keep the color, because fresh herbs, as soon as they go into a very hot pan, they became brown, which I personally don't like it. Must be really like, it's nice to see the contrast of the color, especially when you got this beautiful pink and red sauce from the tomato and the prawn,
I think the prawns are nearly
done, my dear. Then you can go for some of the parsley. Bravissima, Lolly, brava. Then I heard you're gonna add some lemon zest.
Yes.
How much you like, guys, the lemon zest on the pasta?
Well, I mean, I love lemon. Lemon and garlic are like my two favourite things.
Oh, okay.
But, I don't know, was it half a lemon zest? Like zest of half a lemon, or is that too much, do you think?
No, it's okay.
I think it'll overtake the prawns?
No, it's absolutely fine. I mean, half of the lemon, are you going to add as a garnish? Do you want to add it? Like at the end, once we have cooked the pasta, yeah? Just to give you that nice and fresh flavor.
Yeah. A little sprinkling of parsley, a little bit of lemon zest.
Bellissimo,
Yeah.
bellissimo.
Yeah.
Fantastic. That's really nice. No, it is roughly chopped. We don't really. The prawn, they should be ready now. Let's.
So turn it off.
Another important thing, Lolly, you know what it is? When you cook in general, is to try.
Of course.
Needs
Salt.
Yeah?
Sure.
Lolly, I think it's ready.
Yes, I'll turn it off.
Let's turn it completely off.
Yeah.
Yeah, you stir a little bit. It smells amazing.
Mm,
Now,
it really does.
you can go for a little bit of parsley.
Sure. Should I add all of it or?
Well, no, it's too much, probably. Yeah. And then we garnish at the end, just a little bit.
Yeah.
Look at the color. That's why I like it to add it at the end.
Yeah.
So it brings you the nice color. And that's the sauce done, my love. Now,
How easy was that?
yeah, exactly. I'm very curious, darling. If you have tried this recipe before in Italy, if you have been to Italy.
Yeah, so I mean, I haven't had this specific recipe in Italy, but I have been to Italy. I actually lived in Milan when I was 8.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
nice.
so my dad had a job there, and so I went and I was, although I wasn't put in the Italian school, I was put in the French school, but we did have Italian lessons.
That's very nice to be in
Yeah.
Italy and learn French.
Well, yeah, I think, I don't know what, ask my parents, it wasn't my
will.
decision. Yeah,
I
you-
will. I mean, nothing bad because at the end you learn another language.
Yes.
But so it's really nice to be a little girl and grow up in
Yeah,
Italy. Somewhere.
very, very lucky. It's an amazing city, very beautiful.
It is. It is.
Yeah.
I think we are now ready to cook the pasta. My love, the pasta is ready.
Yes, so
Go
I'll
for
just
it.
pop it straight into the pan.
Please, my love.
Ooh. Ooh.
It's okay.
Whoops.
Yeah, I done a little bit too long.
Yeah.
It's my fault.
No.
I have done too long. Check in the water if we have any linguine left.
I think that's
Fantastic. You know that I don't want to waste anything.
Yeah, of course.
And now we just, leave it to cook for. You can use the same to just, move all
smells
around.
so
It smells
good.
amazing. Yeah. Fantastic.
Yeah.
It's basically done. We can, just bring it all together. We saute in the pan, and then we are ready to plate.
amazing.
Lolly, look, it's ready.
Yes, it looks so tasty. I can't wait to try.
And do you remember you wanted to
Yes,
add some lemon
a
zest?
little
Just
bit
a
of
little
lemon
bit. Yeah, just a little
Maybe
bit.
not half a lemon.
It's giving you just a little bit of freshness with the lemon, just a little touch. And I think, Lolly, we can.
Is that good?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Should I plate for you, my love?
Yes, please.
Just to make it easier.
Yeah, please. Oh, it feels so special.
Yeah, I want it to plate for you, my darling. Then we can simply try this amazing dish. I mean, it's. We're gonna be a little bit greedy today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're not putting parmesan on top.
No.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, just winding you up.
I mean, I even think if you go to any Italian restaurant and you order seafood, and then you suddenly ask for Parmigiano,
Yeah.
or, I don't think they're gonna be so happy, my love.
They'll give it to you, but not.
So just-
They'll let you know that then it's not right.
So just don't do it really.
Okay.
We're gonna plate. We're gonna share some prawn as well. That's amazing. It smells just perfect for
So
the.
fresh.
Yes. I think, Lolly, we can try. This is always my favorite moment when I create something, is to try the dish. Let's go for it.
I'm so excited.
Yes.
Right. I gotta get a prawn as well.
Me too. Absolutely.
Oh,
Salute.
cheers. Buon appetito. Wait, I want to do the dance.
Your pasta makes me dance. Because it's so good. Man.
That is
It put you
really,
in that-
really good.
In that mood, yeah? I forgot to do something. In the meantime, I continue to eat.
Me too.
Let's do some firing question for you.
Okay.
I always do with my team. Now, I need to think about you.
Okay.
Mountain or seaside?
Mountains, definitely.
Really?
I love the sea, but I really like the mountains. Lots of climbing and greenery.
Red wine or white wine?
I would say I drink more white wine.
Me
Yeah,
too.
I like the cold, crisp white wine.
Brava, yeah, me too. I really love it. Now, let's think, limoncello or grappa?
Limoncello,
Me too.
for sure.
Me too.
Love,
Really.
love.
And
Grappa
now,
is so intense.
it is pretty strong. You need to really get use of that specific flavor. It's not for me.
It's like a palate cleanser, isn't it?
It is. Now, what about the city? Let's say Milano or Firenze? What do you prefer, David, in the meantime? Buon
Well,
appetito.
I mean, actually I would say, because I've visited both, they're both very beautiful, but I think I prefer Firenze, you know? Yeah.
Well, completely different city, but
Yeah, it is
It's,
different, but
yeah, if you want to discover more art, you
yeah, exactly.
Thank you so much, Lolly, for coming today.
Thank you for inviting me, Rob.
And it tastes just delicious.
Yes.
So well done for the
People
recipe.
should definitely try this.
Absolutely. Actually, subscribe to the channel, try the recipe, and leave a comment. Let us know how it was your pasta. Grazie mille. Buon appetito.
Ciao.
Ciao.